What's up mga ka-boardmates? This is Jerry Maluna. Welcoming you back to the boardroom. So, ayun, it's New Year's Eve and I was surprised to receive a package that's supposed to arrive on Monday. So, medyo, yun. No, it's something that we bought online and I've been wanting to try this for a long time. And let me show you what it is. One moment please. Parang unboxing to, no? So, ito na po siya mga ka-boardmates. It's a air fryer. So, it arrived this morning. Ayan. It's from Kyowa. So this is 7 liters. Will fit whole chicken, large. So nakabukas na siya pero hindi ko pa siya tinitingnan. So let's do the unboxing. So manual, open. So just a regular manual and this thing's off stuff. Let's set it aside here. Let's see. Okay. Medyo mahirap to single-handed but I'll try. Meron ba tong paano ko ilalabas to? Oh, it's heavy. At least. So let's put the box here. So ayan. Nice. Black and silver. Let's see. So we have the power LED, heat LED, timer knob, temperature knob. Hanggang 200 degrees Celsius. So, pwede kang mag-bake ng something else. Wow. It's nice to know. So, may tape siya. Siguro para matanggal. Tanggalin natin. So, this air fryer from Kyowa, 7 liters, costs around 4,000 pesos. So, yan. Spacious. 7 liters ang kasya dyan. Yep. It can fit one whole jumbo chicken. Which is something that I chose. Kasi, yun. So, when I touch it, I think it's already greased or something. Or stay. Parang hindi naman siya non-stick. Or non-stick siya pero hindi yung non-stick. In a sense, parang greased lang siya. And mabigat siya. Mabigat. So may locking mechanism. Hindi ko pala natanggal yung tape sa kabila. Shoo. So yun, para siyang ano, yung turbo na kung natatandaan nyo. So, yung top yung nagdi-distribute ng heat, tapos sa bottom nyo ilalagay yung mga ano. Parang ganun lang din siya. Tapos may drip tray. So, dito pupunta yung mga oils just below. And I know natatanggal tong, if I'm not mistaken, is it? Parang nakascrew siya, pero kung tatanggal to eh. Manual. So mamaya ko na figure out. I'll show you guys when I use this. Saktong-sakto New Year, pero since hindi naman ako naniniwala sa pamahiin, I'll cook chicken later. Kasi yun lang meron ako sa rep. So, sa ating pagbabalik, before we cook, sabi sa manual, we're cooking chicken, 2 pieces leg part. Uy, saktong-sakto. 30 minutes, temperature 180. Turn halfway cooking time. So, 15 minutes. Wala nang preheat, no? Diretso na. So, let's see. Sabi niya, lagay muna natin chicken. So, ayun na yung chicken. So, it's a Mangbox chicken, one of our products na binibenta ko. If you want to buy the same thing, I'll go ahead and link my shopping link on the description. So, yan, it's a quarter leg. Thawed na siya. Marinated na rin yan. And then, may kasamang sauce yan eh. So, yan, may kasamang sauce. So, hindi natin pa-follow yung instructions dito. Ang ipa-follow natin is yung instructions dun sa, there we go, sa manual. So, sabi doon is 30 minutes, 180 Celsius. So, ayun, nakaset na 30 minutes, 180. So, let's wait. And so we're back. So malapit nang matapos. Binaliktad ko na yan kanina. We're just waiting for it to complete. Palagi ko may yan to eh. Ding sound. Tignan natin. Tayin natin. Kung naaamoy nyo lang guys. Grabe. Grabe yung amoy. Mukhang malapit na matapos. Nag-orange na yung light. Kanina green. Ay hindi. Ano ba yung green? Heat? Basta green yung kanina. Tagal! Nagpuputo ka na sa labas. Ang aga-aga pa. Hinay na. Lapit na. Excited. Ang tagal. 0 na ah. 0. Yun. Tumunog na. This is it. Moment of truth. Narinig niyo yun, guys? Whoa! Golden yung skin. Wow naman. At grabe yung mantika sa ilalim. Oh. Hindi ko muna siya on, guys. Ayan, muna natin siya mag-rest. Pero grabe oh. Ano natin, poke natin ng kutsara, natin yung tunog. So, walang tunog. Ayun. Crispy. Luto hanggang ilalim. But look at the oil, guys. Wow. I would definitely cook other stuff here. Chicken, pork, fries. Kahit yung mga snacks like siguro kamote, banana, pwede mo lagay dito. Corn, pwede. Di ba? So, yun na nga guys, di ba? Kita niyo naman yung resulta ng deep fryer. Luto yung chicken within 30 minutes and then nakita niyo yung oil na naipon sa ilalim ng oil catcher receptacle or whatever you call that thing. So, hindi ko pa natitikman yung chicken pero definitely masarap yun kasi natikman ko na siya na fried but not air fried. So, let's check that later on. Ayun, so for anyone who's interested in buying air fryer, I'll go ahead and put the link on the description. And kung nagustuhan nyo yung video nito, may natutunan kayo, hit that like and subscribe button. I would really appreciate that. Again, this is Jeremy Luna. Peace out.